how to transfer Tron from Faucetpay to Tonkeeper Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer Tron from Faucetpay to your Tonkeeper Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your Tonkeeper app on your mobile. After that, go to your Tron wallet and copy the wallet address. Now go back to Faucetpay. Over here, click on Overview and then select Link Address. After that, paste your Tonkeeper wallet address and link it. Then go back to the link address, select Wallet and scroll down. Click on Withdraw. Now you can either select all or type the amount you want to withdraw. After that, click on Withdraw. So that's how you can transfer Tron from Faucetpay to Tonkeeper Wallet. That's all for this video.